And if
Okay.
I'm going to invest, yes, you can invest. You just have to really understand how it works and how it
Mm.
goes. Kasi
Mm.
napaka-volatile ng crypto. It's like when I was learning how to play stock market, it was volatile. Pero mas matindi ang cryptocurrencies.
Mm.
So but then even GCash now has crypto, and
Mm.
young generation like Gen Z, they invest in GCash. There's a crypto in GCash. And
Nakita ko nga.
I can understand that kasi I know coins.ph eh.
Mm.
So marami na kasing noon ang nasa wallet pa lang, they were like selling 3 lang, tatlong klase lang. Ngayon, ang dami na, iba-iba na. Iba-iba na yung mga names, may mga
Mm.
Shiba, may mga Tons, may mga BNC, USDT, and I love talking about it because I understand. I understand the world of crypto.